Before I announce the names, I would request Dr. Ravi Kumar to please come on the dais and distribute long service certificates and prepaid loaded cards. Wrong time, right call. So I am now requesting Dr. Bharat Navalkar to please do this honor. So the first name I am announcing is Dr. Vivek Rathore. He is where? He has not come today. So Dr. Vivek Rathore has completed 15 years of service in BPCL on 31st July 2021. He is receiving a long service certificate and a prepaid card loaded with rupees 22,500. Congratulations, Vivek ji.
Happy Diwali.
In fact, he had completed in July. Now he is receiving in Diwali. Jaya is receiving after you. You receive. Okay. Dr. Ravi Kumar's name is also there, but we have not received his card. And now I am inviting Dr. Shalini Gupta, who has also completed 20 years of service in BPCL on 18th September 2021. She is receiving a long service certificate and a prepaid card loaded with rupees 22,500. Congratulations, Dr. Shalini. Thank you, Doctor. Please. In fact, more LSC cards and prepaid cards are to be received, and as and when these would be received, these would be distributed as soon as possible. And now, friends, as you are aware that we are observing Vigilance Awareness Week from 27th October to 2nd November 2021. The theme of this year is Satark Bharat, Smart Bharat, Vigilant India, Prosperous India. This is not only an extraordinary theme, but admirable one also. And the pledges which were received from our corporate office have been administered on 27th itself. And in continuation of that, today we would like to play a small video on a well-known political personality while discussing with Dr. Ravi Kumar regarding Vigilance Week observance. Dr. Ravi Kumar underlined that Shri Gopal Krishan Gokhale was one of the forerunners of the Indian independent movement, and he dedicated his life to the advancement of nation's welfare and the power of education to open individual potential, horizons and duties towards the country. His honesty is the perfect example for our generations. Mahatma Gandhi ji looked up to Shri Gokhale as his guru and carried forward his vision. Nationalism was his religion. He became an inspiration to many leaders, including Mahatma Gandhi ji. It is said that Shri Gokhale ji used to keep 2 ink bottles with him, one from his office, and that was used for office work, and other one from his personal expenditure for his personal work only. He never misused even a single drop of ink for his personal work during his lifetime. We get a lot of inspiration from the life of Shri Gopal Krishan Gokhale. Although you all have witnessed this video 4 years ago, however, just to refresh us, I am playing this again. Let us be motivated from his life by watching a short video on the life of Shri Gopal Krishan Gokhale. And here it is.
Gopal Krishan
Krishna Gokhale was born on 9th May 1866 in Kothaluk village of Guhagar in Ratnagiri district. Despite being relatively poor, Gokhale received an English education and obtained employment as a clerk in British Raj office. Gokhale graduated from Elphinstone College in 1884. He was a great admirer of theorists such as John Stuart Mill and Edmund Burke. He was one of the founding social and political leaders during the Indian independence movement. He followed two principles, non-violence and reform within existing government institutions. He became a member of the Indian National Congress in 1888 as a protege of social reformer Mahadev Govind Ranade, along with other contemporary leaders like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naoroji, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai and Annie Besant. Gokhale and his fellow liberal reformers wished to purge the superstitions and abuses in their native Hinduism and supported consent bill to curb child marriage abuse. Tilak was an advocate of civil agitation and direct regulation, whereas Gokhale was a moderate reformist. As a result, the Congress party was split in two wings, but later patched up in 1916 after Gokhale's death. In 1905, when Gokhale was elected President of Indian National Congress, he founded the Servant of India Society. Gokhale hoped the Servant of India Society will fill the need of greater opportunities to Indians to gain political education. Gokhale developed such a great reputation among the British that he was invited to London, where he met Lord John Morley. Gokhale was famously a mentor to Mahatma Gandhi and role model of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who in 1912 aspired to become the Muslim Gokhale. Even Aga Khan stated in his autobiography about Gokhale's influence on his thinking. He died in 1915. Gandhi termed him as master politician, as pure as crystal and gentle as a lamb, and brave as a lion.
True homage to this great personality would be if we follow the theme of this year, Sakat Bharat, Smart Bharat, Vigilant India, Prosperous India. And in continuation of this, now I am requesting Mr. A.K. Mittal for a special session from him on Vigilance Awareness Week 2021. Mr. Mittal, please. It was wrongly mentioned by me. It was my mistake. Sorry. Thank you.
Thank you, Bharat. Do we need a mic or no, like this? After a long time,